Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Nail Addict LA for sending me over their Halloween collection. Absolutely love this collection. You guys will see how gorgeous these colors are. I love anything sparkly, glittery, you name it, and I absolutely loved how these incorporated like a lot of glittery ones in this collection, and just so beautiful. And I just absolutely love the collection. I think it was a perfect Halloween collection with a little bit of everything for everybody's desires. I know some people like the girlier version of spooky look, some people like very spooky, other people like subtle or in between. And I feel like this color palette that they chose for this particular collection for Halloween, the spooky season, was absolutely impeccable, and I will have a discount code for you guys to save some money, so don't forget to check that out if you are interested. So once again, thank you so much to Nail Addict LA. Absolutely amazing. They have been sending me polishes for so long now, and I absolutely love their gel polishes. I also really appreciate how they're vegan, they're 9-free formula, and they're also cruelty free, and I really appreciate that because that's very, very important. And we don't want any animals getting harmed in the making of any products. So I really appreciate this company being cruelty free and vegan. That's very, very vital. So here I'm just gonna briefly just do some swatches, and I decided to include it in this video this time around. So I hope you guys enjoy that and find it satisfying. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all once again, and I hope you all enjoy. So these are the swatches, and I honestly think they're absolutely so stunning and just so beautiful. I'm literally in awe with these colors. They're just outstanding in my personal opinion. I feel like I've never had a collection that I loved so much. Just the colors, they're just so gorgeous to me, and the names are adorable. So here I'm just starting off with some base coat. I'm gonna go ahead after and cure it off camera for 60 seconds under my lamp, and then we're gonna move on over to applying the polish of my choice, and then we're also going to get into applying some nail art and decor on the nails of my choosing. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little cute spooky set, and unfortunately the spooky season is coming to an end, so I definitely wanted to throw another video in there before that. But let me know down below what you guys are doing for Halloween, if you're dressing up, if you celebrate it, if you love Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween since I was a child. It was always one of those days that just made me so happy, and I just loved it. Like, I remember being little, since I was a little child in elementary school, and my parents, after they got off work and I got out of school, I remember them taking me to this place called Lincoln Road on South Beach, and it was like a popular place where everybody used to go for Halloween, and I literally grew up going there every single year, and I used to have so much fun. They had different stages, haunted houses, and I would get on the stage with other kids, and we would just dance, dress up. The main reason why I loved going was because obviously it was a lot of fun, but I also really appreciated how, since it's like a huge mall outdoor strip, every single store, or like the majority of the stores there, would give you full-size candy bars. So I absolutely loved and looked so forward to going every single year, and I have a bunch of pictures and stuff, and those are definitely one of the best times of my life because I always just loved and appreciated Halloween. And I also loved how there was a lot of people who took the time to really put in their all to their costumes and like the makeup, the way that they did it, and it was just so flattering and just so admiring. just so fun and festive. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I absolutely love this color that I decided to choose as the base, which is called Golden Crown. So beautiful. Absolutely love it. I think that's my new favorite gel polish. It is just super stunning. So now I'm just going to be going in and drawing on some drips. So I'm going to be doing that for my pointer finger and also for my ring finger. And then the middle finger, I decided that I was going to add like a stone, like some rhinestones and a charm. And yeah, I just tried to keep it very simple and cute. But this was a very simple, easy tutorial. And by the way, I used the same nails that I had on, but all I did was I grabbed my Melody Susie cordless drill and I just removed the gel polish that I had. And by the way, I remember somebody asking me to give them an update on the Betsy solid pudding gels, and they honestly hold up beautifully. I had no issue with the purple one that I was wearing or the lilac color, and honestly, if it wasn't because I removed that color to create this video, it would still be on. There was no chipping, no nothing. And if you hear snoring, it is my dog. He just literally sleeps all day. I always mention that. But yeah, it literally held up beautifully and I had no issues with it whatsoever. I still have my right hand with some gel polish from Betsy as well, but I haven't decided to take that off yet. Probably in my next video when I have to film again, I'll go ahead and remove it and do a brand new set. But honestly, if it wasn't because I removed it myself, it held up beautifully and I recommend them 10 out of 10. Really great quality. And I'm actually gonna have some more PR of them coming through of their new collection, so I'm super excited to show you guys that. And I definitely will try to incorporate as well a PR haul because I saw you guys loved it, so I'm gonna try to incorporate those when I gather a good amount of items. And I will leave the original audio for you guys could hear everything because somebody or a couple people had mentioned if I could do that. So next year I'm just I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because it's just so funny how my dog, he snores so loud. Mind you, he's 6 pounds. He's a 6-pound little Shih Tzu who behaves he is an excellent dog, but it's just so funny how every time I'm filming he's like snoring like most of the time, and it's just funny how he snores. It's like you'd think he works so hard or something. But yeah, I just think it's funny because he's right next to me. But yeah, after I applied my rhinestones, I just went in and cured it, and now I'm just going in with some Ohuhu top coat and I'm gonna go ahead and cure it off camera. Then I'm just gonna go and place one of my favorite cuticle oils, which is from Eno Couture. It smells so good, I love it. And then that's it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on this set. What do you guys think? Did you guys do Halloween sets? Are you wearing a Halloween set or press-ons Halloween related or themed for this Halloween, which is actually tomorrow, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support that you guys always show. It means the absolute world to me. I'm so grateful and appreciative. Thank you a million times for all the support, all the love, and you guys are just so kind and loving and sweet, and I'm really appreciative of that. I feel like it's important to just be kind and spread love to everyone and just, you know, just be in that positive state of being towards yourself and others. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next upload.